I was on something like some kind of like pre-call before we actually started. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, yeah, I don't remember anyone from our team. But anyway, so yeah, I think I liked it. I liked the 1 month of like training and stuff like that because it helped me kind of like starting that mindset of like caring about presentations and stuff like that. Because I don't know about you, but me, like I did presentations for like every class, at the end of every semester, but I was terrible at presenting. I hated presenting. I didn't want to do anything. Like I did the bare minimum, to be honest, just to get
Mhm.
my grade and like, and that's it.
I was the exact same boat. Like I hated team presentations. I hated individual presentations in college. Like
Mm,
that's one of the things that I would say class up was like really helpful with
mm,
is even when you're just doing your mock run throughs, like just getting used to presenting in front of people, especially like strangers and those who like you're not as comfortable with. Cause like that's not unless you seek those things out specifically in college and school, you don't really get good practice on it. And like especially in like the corporate business world,
mm.
presenting and being able to speak is like one of the most important skills.
Exactly. Yes.
Mhm.
So definitely if you're in college and you're thinking of getting into tech, I don't know, it depends on like the position, right? Like I think software engineers or developers they don't present as much, but like I feel like in Oracle overall a lot of people present, like
Mhm.
they have to and it's a good skill to have. So definitely like take presentations more serious.